Okay, let me show you something cool. So I have Safari browser loaded up here on my 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch, and I'm gonna type a few letters, right? And nothing wrong here. So as I type one letter at a time, I see what's expected on the screen. Now I'm gonna pull up Spotlight, and not only do I have the letters I typed just now already filled out in the Spotlight search box, the worst is when I hit a key on the keyboard, it begins double registration. So every one key that I type becomes two. And it works for special characters as well. So I'm not sure if this is, I don't think it's a hardware issue. I know the MacBook Pros the past few years have had keyboard issues with a key registering multiple times, but because it's doing the multiple registration on every key, I feel like it's a software issue. Let me try something else. Like, let me try it on the find the search box here. Yeah, there's nothing wrong here. So every letter works as expected. Ooh, I'm not sure what's going on, and I really don't want to reboot my Mac. It's only 5:19. It's my productive hour of the day, and this is just hugely disappointing. I'll probably spend a few minutes doing some research online to see if anyone else had this issue. I'm sure I'm not the first one. If I am, well, screw me.